Hello everyone. Now the circles exercise 12.3 question number 2. Suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. So what the question is here, if a circle is given to you, how will you find where the center is lying? So when you are drawing a circle with the compasses, with the help of compasses, you will be easily able to understand where the center is. But when you are having a circle, already drawn circle, so we cannot say where the center is lying. So for that we are having one construction here. If suppose a circle is given, and for this circle we have to find where the center is lying. So how will you find? अगर आपको एक सर्कल दिया हुआ है तो आपको फाइंड करना है कि उसका सेंटर कहाँ पे है. So one method you are having, you have to draw the two chords. First thing, you have to draw the two chords in the circle. So I'll draw here the two chords. Chord matlab if you are joining the any 2 points on the circle. So the one chord I am taking here as the name AB, and one more chord I am taking with the name XY. The two chords I got AB and XY. After drawing the two chords, what you have to draw? You have to draw the perpendicular bisector of both chords. First thing what we have done, we have drawn the two chords. After drawing the two chords, we are drawing the perpendicular bisector of both the chords. Already you are familiar with the word perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector matlab which is dividing into two equal parts and intersecting at the angle 90 degree. So how will you draw? अगर आपको AB का perpendicular bisector draw करना है तो A और B का more than half distance आपको लेना है, and you have to cut the arcs on both sides, upside and the downside from B. Then from A, without changing the distance, we have to draw from A also. And then when we are joining these two arcs, we can say it's the perpendicular bisector. So this is your perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector का मतलब है which is dividing into two equal part, जो AB को equal part में divide कर रहा है और उसका angle है 90 degree. So this is your one perpendicular bisector for the line AB. अभी आपको same draw करना है XY का. तो XY का जब आप draw कर रहे हो, we have to take the more than half of XY. If you take less than half, it will not intersect only. Arcs जो होते हैं आपके वो intersect ही नहीं होते. That's why you have to take more than half. तो एक बार आपको X से ड्रॉ करना है arcs, and without changing the distance you have to draw the arcs from Y also. One time we have to draw from X and one time we have to draw from Y. Now we have to join again the both so that we can get the perpendicular bisector. This is your one perpendicular bisector, and we can say here where the both perpendicular bisector are intersecting. तो यहाँ पे आपका जो AB लाइन का इंटरसेक्ट perpendicular bisector है और XY का जो perpendicular bisector है, where they are meeting, that point is nothing but our center. So we can say जहाँ पे आपके perpendicular bisector intersect हो रहे, that is your center. So what we have done in this, पहले जो आपको सर्कल दिया हुआ है उसके आपको दो कॉर्ड्स ड्रॉ करना है. दोनों कॉर्ड्स के परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है. वे द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स आर मीटिंग, जो दोनों परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट हो रहे, दैट पॉइंट एग्जैक्टली इंडिकेट्स द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. तो अगर आप कोई भी सर्कल दिया हुआ है तो आप उसका सेंटर फाइंड कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड. होप इट इज़ क्लियर फॉर यू. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू.